Go.
Good evening, everybody. This is our Nicaraguan food. It's I prepare together. I peel in the yuca first, and then I make in a slide and put in the bowl with the water very hot, and I put the fish on the bowl and put a little salt, and then I with the spatula I can and put in the bowl, and then I make the charrasca in a small piece. And this is prepared for me, and then Eva explaining what she prepared.
Good evening, I'm Eva, and I made the cabbage salad and the chimol for pigoron.
Chimol in Nicaragua, many people say chimol. In Mexico, many people say chismol. And prepare with sweet pepper, tomato, and put the juice lime and salt. A little salt. Many people have the hot pepper. Very delicious, teacher. Can you eat? Can you to first our bigger?
No, now I could explain how I made the
All right.
salad. First, the cabbage I chopped it finally, and I put with a drop of chlorine. I wash and drain. After I add a little or 2 spoons of vinegar. For the chimol, the tomatoes, pepper, onion, cucumber are chopped and added with vinegar, salt, chili, salt.
I finished our presentation.
Yay!